Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased Vastream.in reviews and will let you know is Vastream.in legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Vastream.in offers variety of women wear dresses such as set of hand block printed kurtis, designer party wear salwar suits, anarkali gowns, saris and combo of designer dresses. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these dresses are too good to believe. Before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now, let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover, RuPay, Net Banking and cash on delivery. And guys, we all know that COD is the safest option. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that orders will be processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days of ordering. And guys, here we can see that shipping charges are not specified. So now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days, and guys, here we can see that information regarding refund is not stated directly. Neither they have specified that who would be responsible for the shipping charges of the products returned. So we can spot that details provided here are incomplete. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so again here we can see that no information is disclosed by the officials on the website regarding the order cancellation. Therefore, only return option is available. Now, let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Vastream.in uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But it alone is not sufficient to determine the authenticity of any website. Therefore, let's check the details related to registration. So guys, the domain name of Vastream.in was registered on 26th May 2021. So we can see that the domain of Vastream.in was registered just a couple of months ago, and because of this reason traffic on the website is low as it is not much popular among the people. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official website, we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is info@vastream.in. And apart from this, the physical address and contact number is not provided. So guys, it's a negative sign. Also, Vastream.in lacks presence on social media platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn, which again is a negative highlight. And talking about Vastream.in reviews, so here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers' feedback. But guys, on internet many negative reviews are available where customers have stated that they had received low quality products. Even few customers have stated that they received torn out dresses, and till date few customers even haven't received their order. So guys, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in determining the legitimacy of any website. Also, the content over the website matches with other websites and the images of the products too are duplicate. Consequently, the trust index of the website is too low, and guys, according to Alexa traffic rank, this website is ranked 0 among many other million websites. So again, it's a negative highlight. So guys, loopholes such as incomplete details related to refund policies, incomplete contact details, Negative customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So based on these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of Vasthrem.in. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.